Hey friends, if you encounter the error Windows Defender has blocked some features on networks, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolution. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the privacy and security tab on the list on the left hand side, select Windows security in the right pane, firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on this option and then you can select the app that you wish to allow. Okay, and then just make sure that you have uh, checked this app here, and if it does not exist then you can select the option to allow another app, or I'll give you a better option if it really doesn't work. Search for Windows Defender Firewall in the Windows search bar, go to Windows Defender Firewall, click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, turn it off for both the public and private network, click on OK. Do your task, then return to the same page and turn it on later. Click on OK. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.